Rock sugar production line including single crystal rock sugar machine, polycrystal rock sugar basin, sugar machine, vacuum condenser complete sets of equipment, seed machine, seed crusher, liquid storage tank, sugar pot, filter, etc. Can be designed and manufactured according to customer needs of large and medium-sized containers. The working principle of the single crystal rock sugar machine is mainly based on the principle of physical crystallization through the control of temperature, humidity, and other parameters, so that the syrup slowly crystallizes under specific conditions to form a single crystal rock sugar. The production process is precisely controlled to ensure that each single crystal rock sugar has a uniform particle size and a pure crystal structure. The advantage of single crystal rock sugar making machine lies in its efficient, accurate, and environmentally friendly production characteristics. Single crystal rock sugar machine can complete a large number of single